Here we come to the elevators at the Contemporary Kinder Art Museum, which is the new wing of the Museum of Fine Arts Houston in Houston, Texas. These are ThyssenKrupp elevators because I rode this thing a second ago and it's got a grocery store beat, especially on the left elevator. And I'll show you what I mean when we get on. Look at these buttons. I really like that call button right there. See, the left elevator car has like the grocery store checkout floor passing beat, or this one has just a generic innovation modern floor passing beat. Anyways, these elevators are incredibly busy, so there's no way I'm able to get a full non-stop flight or anyhow, because the elevator's just going to be stopping on every single floor and lots of people are going to be getting on, and I only have 40-something minutes left on my memory. I still got a lot of other videos that I still need to get out of my camera as well. Okay, one's here. We got the right elevator car.
I think this is it.
Huh?
Come here. It's still going down.
Is it one?
This is one. This is the main floor. Are you going to the basement?
We're going to the underground tunnel, I guess.
Yeah, that's on lower level.
Yeah.
So why are you taking everything?
I just like to film the elevator.
Oh,
I'm really interested into elevators.
really?
Yeah, it's a hobby and I just do it for enjoyment.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, well you have a wonderful rest of the day.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, looks like no one called. I'm gonna try to ring the bell. Doesn't ring. This elevator is incredibly slow. And the fan's on as well, so you can't hear the motor. I think they should have chosen traction, considering these serve 5 stories. Here we are at 3. Look at these fixtures. Alright, we're going to get a quick cab and we're going to get off and transfer to the other elevator car. Look at this nice cab. You're welcome. Okay, we're going to get the other elevator car on the left. And I'll show you what I mean when I say that these are ThyssenKrupp. These are ThyssenKrupp. These are indeed ThyssenKrupp elevators because wait until you hear when we get on the left elevator car, which is this one. It's got the grocery store beep on every new ThyssenKrupp elevator installed or modernization. And man, this elevator is just slow as can be. Alright, here it is. Cool, we got it to ourselves. We're gonna get a cab here real quick. Look at this thing. This is a neat elevator, considering it's new. Alright, looks like we have plenty of time to do a cab on this. Hear the grocery beep? And it's got a generic innovation beep as well. These are your innovation bruiser fixtures. This kind of design reminds me of what I see in the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City, although I've never been there before. All right, I think someone might be getting on. We might be stopping. Yeah, you can't hear the motor on this one either. Oh, what do you know? A full non-stop round trip. All right, we're gonna go back down to 1, and we'll end there. It chimes so many times. I like the bell indicator directional lantern right next to the door jamb. Anyways, this is a nice elevator. I did not film this elevator. I came here last week ago, but it was too busy, so I didn't really film it until today. This is really nice. Okay, we're gonna get off here this time. You're welcome. All right, there it goes, and that's it.